Hi everyone, this is the continuation of lesson 2.1. On this one we're going to use some distributive property as well as combining like terms. So we have to remove parentheses first. When you see a number on the outside, you take that number and multiply it times each term that's inside. So that is going to be 9 times z, which is 9z, plus 9 times 7, which is 63. And then, of course, we're subtracting the 15. All right, so the 9z stays. We take 63 and subtract 15, which I believe that would be 48. I'm double checking myself. Yes, 48. And so we're finished. So remove parentheses by using distributive property, combine like terms if needed. All right, on this next one, we're going to take negative 2. We're going to multiply it times each term. So negative 2 times 4x would be negative 8x. Negative 2 times negative 3z would be plus 6z because we have two negatives. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. And we don't have any like terms, and so that question's complete. All right, so here we go again. Now when you just see a negative or a minus sign in front of parentheses, that means that we're distributing a negative 1. So we're going to multiply through by negative 1. All that does is change the signs of each term. So that's going to make that negative 3x plus 2y, negative times a negative. Negative times a positive on the 1, so that's negative 1. So we don't have any other like terms, and we're finished. On this next one, we multiply the 4 on the outside of the first set of parentheses. So 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times negative 3, negative 12. And then take a negative 2, because there's a minus sign in front of it, it makes that number negative. So we have negative 2x minus 2, right? Because negative 2 times 1. Now we have like terms, so we have 8x and negative 2x. That leaves me with a 6x. And then we have negative 12 and negative 2, which is negative 14. And we're finished with that one. Okay, so on this one I just start writing it as it is, 8y minus 2. Now this is a negative 3 times y and times 4. So negative 3y minus 12. So we have an 8y and a negative 3y to combine, because those are like terms. We have negative 2 and negative 12, and that is negative 14. All right, next. Negative 11c stays for the moment. Now this is a negative 1, so we're distributing negative 1, which just changes the signs. So that makes the 4 a negative 4 and the 2c, negative 2c, a positive 2c, because that's a negative 1 times negative 2. All right, so we have negative 11c plus 2c, which is negative 9c, minus 4. All right, so I threw in some fractions here just for fun. We're going to distribute 1/3, so that's 7/3 y minus 1/3. This is going to be, you multiply the numerator times the 4, so that's 4/6 y plus 7/6. Now I'm going to combine the y's, but first I have to do a little simplifying. All right, so that's going to be plus 2/3 y. This is another thing you can do. You can rearrange. I'm going to take negative 1/3 and add it to 7/6, so I need a common denominator there. I'm going to multiply this one by 2, so I have negative 2/6 plus 7/6. So here I'm going to be able to just say plus 5/6, right, because I simplified the negative 1/3 and the positive 7/6. All right, so now I can combine the y's. I'm just adding these, so 7 plus 2 is 9, and that's over 3. And then of course that does simplify. So it's 3y plus 5/6. I'm checking to see how many more I have here. So I think I'll start another video for the rest of this, and I'll see you on the next video.